Hello kids, today we will write to learn numbers according to the number of birds. So let's start with colors. Yellow color, blue color, pink color, indigo color, peach color. Let's count the birds and start writing the numbers. 1 bird, 2 birds. Write here number 2 with peach color. Peach color number 2. Peach color number 2. We are writing number 2 with peach color. 2 birds number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 birds. So write here number 4 with indigo color. We are writing number 4 with indigo color. Indigo color number 4. Four birds number 4. This is 1 bird. So write here number 1 with pink color. Pink color number 1. Pink color number 1. We are writing number 1 with pink color. 1 bird number 1. 1, 2, 3, 3 birds. So write here number 3 with blue color. Blue color number 3. Blue color number 3. We are writing number 3 with blue color. 3 birds number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. So write here number 5 with yellow color. We are writing number 5 with yellow color. Yellow color number 5. Yellow color number 5. Yellow color number 5. 5 birds number 5. Now repeat the numbers. Number 2, number 4, number 1, number 3, number 5. Now repeat again. Number 2, 1, 2, 2 birds, number 2. Number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 birds, number 4. Number 1, 1 bird, number 1. Number 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 birds, number 3. Number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 birds, number 5.
Please like and subscribe.